Welcome to Write with Rachel. Every session starts with a story spark, and then we explore 4 ideas for your story. This way, you never have to start with a blank page. With the tilt method, you start by drawing an X across your paper. Each section has a purpose. The first section introduces the character. Next, what the character wants. Third, the obstacle that tilts the story. Fourth, how the story wraps. And finally, a section to wrap it all up. Here, you see that Rachel's introduced her character in quadrant 1 in green. She's now writing about what her character wants in pink in quadrant 2. The different colors and tilting the paper help her brain remember to switch to the next part of the story. Did you see what just happened? Rachel just tilted the paper past the tilt section. This is a reminder that she needs to start wrapping up the story. By physically tilting the paper, switching to a different color, her brain remembers what to do, and she keeps moving the story forward. At the very end, you tilt your paper one last time and write the last word. This is the aha moment, or where your story comes full circle. And then you're done. You've just written a story draft, and it feels great.